Ka BJP Meghalaya Pradesh dak bepenpau ka jing ai khublai yau menteri rang ba do kari India Ernest Mawrie halor ka jing simkhia halor ka jing simkhia ki kampen bet pod apreng gi jela ka than chtai lammi ngi lengba uba Ernest Mawrie state president kalaong ka jing khappud apreng ka jela Meghalaya bat Assam lala ban weng kumbah 100%. Haba crunch gelat patai khubor ha kanok phais ngi jong santre ujelio arja apulai dak bepenpau ka jing khublai ya ki menteri rang ba na ka jela Meghalaya bat Assam halor ka jing simkhia jong ki ban weng ya ki jing ha khappud ulaong baka congress ka sukta kai ya kamat ya kren khappud ha ki por bladam tang ban yo nong sanyi ma
ngi ngasu thuk ma ka don kam ya ka jaka kamri equilibrium le you equilibrium ni don kam ya ka jaka mar kum bolong hi menta ka dispute ngi tengko bat ki breu no po Assam ka de ka jakarep jakarya ya ka khlau ko tap tadi ka jaka nadu baningkong ru nakaliang jongi ngila sungu kumen ba nakaliang jong prime minister nakaliang jong home minister udon borom ula ailat iki not estate bakini penbet paramaki te nga ai kublai ru yo CM ka Meghalaya CM ka Assam bakila simkhia gine kam koplong long pending mentak laya chakmat te hak jing so ku jong ai ngilai jimut ik sarkar bakan sim ru ya ki kot kisla ya ki dulir bat haka bakut nakaliang jong CM ka Meghalaya CM Assam ru ongi lara dei ka chaka ka basong ki breu jong Meghalaya kan dei ka Meghalaya ya ka song ha Assam kan dei ka Assam ni habdon kata ka give and take policy am kani kala dei ka jing penbet ka batmai jing penbet ka batmai ai bangin kermen bangin support no ik sarkar bahkan penbet no ai kani bahkan undai su ka political issue kumbolong ni kren tang for election ai bahkan long ka permanent solution
Uniu noilam ke BJP ulaong ru ba kumba umentri rang ba do kari India ukwa ya ka songsok songsan kumjo ru ka parti ka khmilanti ba ka jinge kran jesok hapdang ka HNLC bat ka sarkar jela kumjo ru bat ka sarkar India kat kum ki kendon ha ka riti sensyar kan long ka bajab.
In 75 years of India freedom Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav of a peaceful and prosperous Northeast. Strong political will shown by Chief Minister of all the Northeast state. We will make Northeast dispute free. After discussion with all state, the government under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has signed several agreements to end extremism and bring lasting peace to the northeastern state. I, on behalf of the BJP Meghalaya Pradesh, I express my gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji, the Home Minister, for the effort to bring HNLC for a peace talk, even within the ambit of the Constitution of India, to regain the respect and recognition as a nation. Once again, I also appreciate the state government effort to bring HNLC to the peace table. As the process is in the full swing, I hope within a short period we will get a good news about the matter.